Hello everyone, my name is Novita Wandasari and today I want to talk about an interesting topic in tourism called dark tourism. When people think about tourism, they usually think about sightseeing, buying souvenir, or trying a local food. But in recent years, the tourism has changed. Dark tourism means visiting places that are connected to tragedy, disaster, death, or historical conflicts. People visit these places not only because they are curious, but because they want to understand history and human suffering better. Dark tourism causes debate. Some people argue that visiting tragic places can be disrespectful and uncomfortable. However, others believe that visiting these places can be meaningful if it is done in respectful way. With good explanation and guidance, these places help help visitor to think about the past and learn important lessons. One famous dark tourism destination is Akokigahara Forest in Japan near Mount Fuji. So this forest is very quiet because they are so dense. But sadly, this places is famous for people ended their life. Today, visitors come to learn about its history. Guided tour focus on mental health awareness and Japanese history. There are also signs in the forest that encourage people who hopeless, to seek help. This make Akokigahara Forest a place for reflection and care. Another important drug tourism is Pripyat in Ukraine. It is a ghost town that was abandoned after the Chernobyl nuclear disaster in 1986. Before the disaster, almost 50,000 people lived there. But after the explosion, the city was evacuated very quickly. Today, Pripyat is still empty with abandoned houses, school, and unfinished amusement park. People visit these places to see the effect of the nuclear explosion and understand the impact on human and the environment. The third destination is Cu Chi Tunnel in Vietnam. These tunnels were used during the Vietnam War and are located near Ho Chi Minh City. The tunnels were used as a hiding places, supply routes, and living spaces by the Viet Cong. But life inside the tunnel was very hard because of hunger, disease, and lack of sunlight. Today, the visitor can walk through some of the tunnels and learn about the guerrilla warfare and the strength of the soldier who lived there. In conclusion, dark tourism is not only just visiting such places. When it is managed carefully, it can be a powerful way to learn. It helps people remember history, respect the victim, and understand human strength. Dark tourism can teach us the important lesson from the past and help prevent similar tragedies in the future. In my opinion, dark tourism can be meaningful if people visit these places with respect. It helps us to understand tragic events and feel empathy for others. However, it becomes wrong when people treat these places only as entertainment. Dark tourism should be focused on education and respect, not exploiting tragedy.
I think that's enough for today's video, and see you guys next time. Bye.